Unlock the secret to weight loss hidden in your genes. Let's dive deep into the revolutionary concept of weight loss at the DNA level. Picture this: your genetic makeup, the very foundation of who you are, holds the key to how your body manages weight. It governs your metabolism, influencing how quickly or slowly you burn calories. It controls your appetite, determining when and how much you feel the need to eat. It even affects fat storage, deciding where those extra pounds tend to accumulate. Understanding this genetic influence is like having a roadmap to your body's unique weight loss journey. It's about going beyond the surface, beyond the one-size-fits-all diet plans and workout routines. It's about tapping into your DNA, your body's very blueprint, to optimize your weight loss results. And now we have the power to decode this genetic blueprint thanks to modern science. Introducing ImuRegen, the game changer in the world of weight loss. This revolutionary supplement is setting a new standard in weight management by working at the DNA level. It targets specific genetic markers associated with metabolism and fat regulation, optimizing these pathways to enhance weight loss results. What sets ImuRegen apart is its unique blend of ingredients. It's packed with nucleotides, the essential building blocks of DNA, crucial for proper replication and functioning. These nucleotides, along with oligopeptides, amino acids, and essential minerals, work in synergy to aid your weight loss journey at the DNA level. But it's not just about shedding those extra pounds. ImuRegen is known to enhance immunity, cellular rejuvenation, energy levels, and cognitive function. Many users have reported significant health improvements, including relief from various health issues. It's this positive impact on vitality and overall well-being that truly sets ImuRegen apart. With ImuRegen, you're not just losing weight, you're enhancing your overall health and vitality. Are you ready to revolutionize your weight loss journey? Today we've delved into the fascinating world of DNA and weight loss, and how nucleotides, oligopeptides, amino acids, and essential minerals can aid in this journey. But don't just take our word for it, it's time to experience it yourself. Unleash the power of your DNA with ImuRegen. By understanding your genetic makeup and how it influences your metabolism, you can open a new door to weight loss. ImuRegen, with its remarkable efficacy and bioavailability, is changing the game. It's not just about losing weight, it's about enhancing your overall vitality and well-being. We invite you to try ImuRegen and be part of this exciting revolution. Experience firsthand the benefits of working with your body at a genetic level. If you've enjoyed this deep dive into the DNA of weight loss and want to stay updated with revolutionary health and wellness solutions, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell. Remember, your journey to a healthier, happier you starts with understanding your DNA. Join the DNA weight loss revolution. Embrace a healthier, happier you with ImuRegen.